ReName files version 2.0. ReName files version 2.0. Got a bunch of files you want to rename, but don't want to go through them each one by one? ReName files is a Windows software to safely rename thousands of files in folders and subfolders at once. You can easily rename one or more files just with ReName files, and the possibilities are endless. Let's take a look at each option and how it works. It's not hard to learn. The tool has a friendly interface, advanced batch renaming, so you can combine multiple renaming options and apply them to large numbers of files. Getting started. Here are some easy steps on how to get started renaming files in ReName files. Open folder. First you need to browse to a folder with the files you want to rename. Click the Open Directory/Select Files button. Now browse to the directory that has the files you want to rename. If the folder has subdirectory S, a directory within a directory, all the files in those subdirectories will be renamed also. You could always just create a new directory and move all the files you want to rename in the new directory. Now you need to set up how the files should be renamed. This is done in the ReName File option tab to the left. The options are: Match pattern. When checked, renames only the files containing these characters. Base name. Enter a base name for all files. The toggle enables or disables this name. Keep file extensions. When checked, keeps the current file's extensions intact. Prefix. When checked, lets you enter characters that will be at the beginning, prefix, of the name of all renamed files. Remove first n digits. When checked, the first n characters in the base name are removed from files' names. The spinner sets the value of n. Suffix. When checked, lets you enter a string of characters that will be at the ending, suffix, of the name of all renamed files. Remove last n digits. When checked, the last n characters in the base name are removed from files' names. The spinner sets the value of n. Numbered. When checked, lets you number files' names incrementally. ReName. Click ReName Files button to rename the affected files and have your changes take effect. A sound cue will play to confirm you click. Click the Undo button to undo the last made change. Note the undo is only on level deep. So if you click ReName multiple times, undo will only undo the last action taken. Click the Redo button to redo the last action taken. There is a directory list tab that you can use to view your selected directory and its files. You can hover over Option and button for a tooltip. Note: renaming multiple files on a computer with a click is a very powerful feature, so use it with attention and care. Renaming files do not change the file format type. That is to say, if you rename an audio file, let's say song1.mp3 to song1.txt, the icon will change to a text file icon on your computer, but the file itself would still be an audio file. The system will just not know how to access it for you. In that case, you would have to tell the system what program to open the file with. Not to worry, there is a handy undo feature. That's it. Thank you for trying ReName Files v2.0.